the show with Pink and May, and thanks so much for joining me today. We're going to be opening day number 6 of our 2025 Advent calendar. I'm excited. I hope you are. So let's head on down to the table and see what today has in store for us. So let's go ahead and open day number 6, which can be confusing with day number 9. I will tell you it's on top of your day number 9. Day number 6, the sticker is on upside down actually if you look at the bag this way. But 6 is a little orange, 6, and then day number 9 actually is a more pink color, so you can tell them apart a little easier. But let's go ahead and get this bag open. All right, we've got another 3x3 stamp set. This is a poppy, and it says congratulations. So we've got some different sentiments going on with these flowers that we can use all year round. Got a nice poppy flower here, the word poppy. So fun, I love that. I can't wait to start using some of these flower stamps and the items that we have so far to go with them. Thanks so much for joining me again today. I hope you've enjoyed what's inside day number 6, and I'll see you again tomorrow and we'll open day number 7. Have a good night.